Hey y'all, it's Charity. Today I'm gonna have a quick little video about changing my maintenance box. If you don't know, you're not able to do anything at this point if this pops up. So I'm just gonna click, whoops, that. It gives you a little walkthrough of what you need to do. I'm familiar, so I'm going to get to it. Let me get some light over here. Okay. Your maintenance box is this little thing right here. So simply do that. Let me let you see in here a little bit more. And you just slide it out. As you see, it is, let me put it up here. It's full of ink. Okay. And I guess it gets all the what do you call it, residual ink and all that stuff, but this little pad fills up. So I did get a replacement. This will be my second time getting this same kind of replacement. This is like just like an Amazon brand, basically. So I'm gonna open this up. I'm trying to do this with one hand and grab some scissors. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, so I have it open here. Same thing, lugs. What did I just say? So whether you're using a legit brand or Epson, not legit brand, but Epson or not, you put your old one in, they're always going to give you this little plastic baggie. My assumption is to keep the ink, you know, in place and not get spillage everywhere. So I'm just going to open this little thing. Oops. And this little barcode on the side is what's going to line up with what's in the printer. So simple. I will say, if you have the maintenance box alert, you are able to use it for a little while. I would go ahead and, once you get the alert, go ahead and purchase another one. So same thing. As you see, this is how it started off. The Epson one, I will say, filled ink all the way here. I don't know if that was just an error or just design or whatever, but it's not going to let you bypass that maintenance box screen once it gets to that level. So, and come over here with this still open. And you see this is where that is going to kind of like line up and slide in. These little nodules will kind of assure that you have everything on track. So, let me take a little look. See? Okay. Both sides. Yes, as long as those bottoms are in there like that, that should work. Then you just slide it in. And that's it. You hear it start working. Let's see. It's doing its thing. I'm going to move my printer back. It says recovering. Okay, so after the recovering, this is an indicator, boom. Uh-oh. After recovering, this is an indicator that everything is back and working. Yeah, so all is good to go, and that was how you change your maintenance box. Bye.